That was a vacuum. It was the vacuum cleaner. It will be funny. It's the great animation. The story of the boy who cried wolf.
There was a little boy named Jack who had the very important job of watching the sheep.
I'm so bored. I wish something exciting would happen.
So
Uh-oh.
Jack decided to go to town and cry.
Wow! Wow! Someone help me!
Come on, man, let's go. There really is a wolf.
But when
Uh-oh.
Jack went back to the field where the sheep were, there was no wolf.
Gotcha!
A
This was
prank.
prank. Come on, man. Let's go home.
I'm so bored. That was fun. When I went to town and cried wolf. Maybe I'll do it again.
Oh.
So Jack decided to go to town and cry wolf again.
Wolf! Come on, everybody! Come on, come on! There's a wolf! Come see! A wolf! A wolf is attacking my sheep!
Come on, man. This must be serious.
The men followed Jack back to the field, but yet again there was no
No
wolf.
wolf.
Gotcha again!
Shut up.
Jack, this is the last time. If you cry wolf again, we will not come.
Whatever.
The
Uh-oh.
townsman left, and Jack returned to his sheep. But then all of a sudden, a real wolf
Uh-oh.
It's a wolf!
So Jack ran to town looking for help and was knocking on everyone's doors, but no one answered.
Help! Somebody help! Wolf! Wolf! A wolf! A big bad wolf! Help! Help!
Oh, my goodness gracious, there really is a wolf. Come on, man. Shoot. Go.
Thank you, Mayor. Thank you, Mayor. I will never cry wolf again.
Oh.
As a wolf. I've learned my lesson.
That's good.
Townsfolk gave a great cheer because Jack had learned his lesson.
See.
The end.
That was an amazing story. That was the boy who cried, "Wow! Wow!" Wow!